Hi, welcome to ByteBlock Administrator Training.
Provider settings. You can edit the hours, shift requests, shift sequences, and shift preferences for providers. For this version, it's short-term settings of the provider information screen, and this will only apply to this version.
The hours and shifts includes request type, which could be total hours or total shifts, a high category, medium category, and a low category. By default, it's usually set to a fixed number. It's selected as equal. If one of the requested category shifts is set as an equal or a percent, then it will show the number that will be used. You can also enter in a whole number. These are the high, medium, and low requested categories that you set up within the provider information. So I have my shift 5, evening, and weekend shifts. And if you have total hours, then it would just display as total hours instead of total shifts. If you want to take a look at shift sequences, it will show shifts in a row, category in a row, link Saturday, Sunday, and the shift relation model. Shift preferences will show the can't do's, prefers, high prefers, and dislikes for your providers. If you want to look at all the categories, you can click on show all. You could also use the copy provider feature to copy to another provider. And this only affects the current version, so if you make any changes here, this will affect this May 2019 schedule. You can scroll down to the bottom where you can see requested. There were 208 shifts requested, and it tells you how many shifts you need to schedule, and there's 217. And it shows you your other categories, how many were requested and how many you need to schedule, and this will help you while you're working on the schedule. After making any changes, click the Save Changes button, and it will return you to the schedule that you were working on.
Shift times. You can modify the start and end times for a shift in the version of the schedule. So if you're already finished with your schedule, almost done, or you're already published, you're even using the as worked version, and then in the modify shift start and end times window, select your shift from the menu. It will display the current start and end times, and then if it was just a specific day, you can click on the 14th and select the 14th again. If it was multiple days, you could do the 14th, the 28th. That day shift will now start at 10:15 to 5:15, and then it will show you the duration of hours, and it will show you what's changing in the shifts adjustment warnings, and then you go ahead and you click save, and it will process for you and will update that version that you're working on. So then the shift times will display the correct time for you. Okay, so if you hover over one of the days that we changed, like the 22nd, so hover over the shift name. Here you can see that it says 10:15 a.m. to 5:15 p.m. So that's the correct time for this day. And the other days that we didn't change still has 10 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Thank you for watching.